You don't be afraid as a content creator. Go out there, shoot your shots, okay? This man had to come and mess up my video, and that's a part of it too, y'all. Look, this noise here. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, y'all. I know it's getting a bit noisy because we're getting closer, but let me hurry in. Okay, he stopped it. Let me see if he's gone. You're waiting for me to pass by? Okay, he's waiting for me to pass by. Oh, so nice. I was just about to say you messing up my video with that, but thank you. Oh, he's so nice, y'all. All right. You see that, y'all? I'm telling you. Oh my God, just about to say this man is messing up my video, and look, he stopped. So I'm saying this to say, y'all, don't be afraid. Go out there, shoot your shots, okay? Today, I have done about 3 to 4 videos, and you know what? I felt like while I'm walking to the car, because I'm getting ready to go home, I said, you know what? Let me just shoot this video real quick. I want to tell you that don't be afraid of your potential. Sometimes you will get afraid, sometimes you get nervous, especially if you're a content creator, someone who creates content outside, and you know you're around, you're seeing people, and sometimes the nervousness, right? Sometimes you feel a little jitter, because people are watching you. Don't care about that. Let them be. You know what happened to me the other day? I went to a park. It's not this one. I went somewhere else, and I think I picked up about 10 subscribers. They were just literally watching me, recording myself, speaking to the camera, taking pictures, and they were like surrounding me. Some of them stopped. They was like, are you on YouTube? Or they will say, are you on Facebook? Can I follow you? I want to see what you're doing. Even though they can see me, right? Like in person, in real time, but they want to see the end results, right? I'm saying this to say you'll be amazed to know how much people like enjoy seeing these things. So I want to encourage you, don't be afraid as a content creator. Go out there, shoot your shots, okay? This man had to come and mess up my video, and that's a part of it too, y'all. Look, this noise here. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, y'all. I know it's getting a bit noisy because we're getting closer. But let me hurry in. Okay, he stopped it. Let me see if he's gone. You're waiting for me to pass by? Okay, he's waiting for me to pass by. Oh, so nice. I was just about to say you messing up my video with that, but thank you. Oh, he's so nice, y'all. All right. You see that, y'all? I'm telling you. Oh my God, just about to say this man is messing up my video, and look, he stopped. So I'm saying this to say, y'all, don't be afraid. Go out there, shoot your shots, okay? This is the world that we live in nowadays. People see what you're doing. People see that you're trying, so don't take it like negative. Maybe God worked it out for me. But if it's some other people, they probably would have just continued and just doing their thing. But this is how God works. I'm not asking you, I'm telling you. He will surround you with the right people that pushes you. Because let me tell you, on the day when I was out here and I was creating my content, and I felt loved, right? They were watching me. I gave my contacts. About 10 people follow me on YouTube. And it feels good, so I'm just putting it out there. If you have to go outside and create your content, go and do what you gotta do. Stop wasting time, y'all. We live in a world now where we can monetize literally anything, right? And so, like right now, I'm monetizing everything at this point. So I'm saying this to say, shoot your shots, go out there, wake up and thrive. And I'm your example, y'all. Like, I'm your example. Like, I don't care what people think about me. They look at me, they do all type of things, but I don't care, right? I used to be that way, though. I used to care about what people say about me. And until this day, maybe 5%. But now, like, let me not talk on a personal level. Right now, Something is right now, like as a content creator, I don't really care what people have to say. But like on a personal level, I'm still struggling with that like a little bit, because I used to be a people pleaser, care too much about what others think and do, but we're talking about content creation right now. Like I literally don't care. Sorry. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I just want to put it out there. Do what you got to do, okay? You can do it. Let me tell you, I believe in you. Let me put out my I believe in you. I believe in you. I believe in you. I couldn't find my my Yeti today, so I put a cup in my bag. So I'm watching it. I know it's ghetto, right? It's ghetto. It is what it is. You can tell me it's ghetto. It's fine. But I don't want it to spill on my Osmo. Well, I'm recording from my Osmo. I'm just talking like the case, so I'm watching it. Let me try not to move too much. But y'all, what you should expect, these things are gonna happen. People are gonna look at you crazy. Some people will adore you. Some people will stop and watch you. It's okay. Do what you gotta do. All right, throw out the camera, vlog, say what you gotta say, and make the money. Let's all get to the bag together, y'all. Okay, let's get to the bag together. There's too much money out here to be made, y'all, and I'm trying to get all of it, like all of it. And y'all know I'm home for 2.5 months before I get back to work, and I wouldn't mind if I have option. I wouldn't mind if I could say, you know what, I just want to go to work 3 days per week, but that's not so right now. So a girl have to do what she got to do. And I'm just out here because guess what? I'm in it to win it, and I want you with me as well. So when I tell you, shoot your shots, go out there, grind, create your content, go for it. And look, I'm right here. So I'm about to get inside my vehicle. I wanted to leave you with that today. Bye. Be blessed. Love you guys.